Hello, great people. Welcome to today's math challenge. The question before us is solve for x. X bracket 3x plus 4 close bracket, open bracket 3x plus 8 close bracket, open bracket x plus 4 close bracket equal to 16. So how do we solve for x? Let's take our solution. Yeah, coming for the first time, this is my Proes, and if you not subscribe because here we drop new videos every day for our learning. So the first thing we're going to do here is to do some grouping of these terms we have in here now. So I'm going to take the first term here, which is this, and marry it with our last term here. Okay, we'll multiply this with it, then I'll take the second term and marry it with the third term here. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. It's going to give us square bracket of our x, then bracket our x, then plus 4 close bracket, then put our square bracket, then into our 3x, put another bracket here, plus 4, into our 3x plus 8 close bracket, our square bracket, everything equal to 16. So we can open this and open this. This will give us x to the power of 2 plus 4x bracket, then r into 3s times 3s will give us 9x to the power of 2 plus 3s times 8 will give us plus 24x plus 4 times 3s will give us 12x. 8 times 4 times 8 will give us plus 32. Those brackets, everything equals to 16. So we can add these two together. It will give us our x to the power of 2 plus 4x close bracket 9x to the power of 2 plus, we add this to this will give us 36x plus 32 bracket everything equals to 16. Okay, so what we do at this point here now, you discover that there's a relationship between this and that if factor out 9 from here, we're going to have something like this. So let's factor out 9 from this. We're going to have our x to the power of 2 plus 4x close bracket. Into our square bracket, we have 9 into, we're going to have x squared plus our 4x close bracket plus 32 close bracket square bracket. uh, like I said, we could as well factor x from here, but we want something that is like this from here. So we now discover that what we have here and what we have here, they are the same. So we can do a simple substitution. Again, I try to factor out this from here and here, and they didn't give me something reasonable. So the best thing to do is just to make a simple substitution here. So from here, I will say let um, x to the power of 2 plus 4x be equal to rp. So wherever we see this, let's put in p there. So this now implies that our p bracket, here we're going to have 9 into our p. Let's use the square bracket here, then close bracket plus 32, okay, then plus a bracket here equal to 16. So we can open up this here now. If we open up this, we're going to have our p into 9p plus 32, okay, equal to bracket here equal to 16. If we use this to open up this, we end up having our p to the power of 2, 9p rather to the power of 2, plus 32p equal to 16. So collecting our like terms, we have 9p squared plus 32p minus 16 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. right? So we have to solve this. Quadratically, we can solve this using the factorization method. All we just need to do is to use this coefficient 9 here to times 16. And if we do that, that will give us 144. So among the factors of 144, we look for two numbers that when we multiply together, will give us 144. Then the addition of it will give us plus 32 here. So what are the two numbers that will give us 36 and 4? So 36 will take minus, okay, we're going to have, sorry, plus 36 and minus 4, okay. Plus 36 times minus 4 will give us minus 144, and 36 plus 36 minus 44 will give us plus 32. So let's go ahead and put these two numbers in here. So this is going to give us 9p squared there plus 36p minus 4p minus 16 equal to 0. Good. Are we learning something from here? Yes. So we can group this now and group this, group this. There are things that are common. So here we have 9p common to this, right? So if we have this 9 out, it's going to give us a p there plus, we use 9 to divide this will give us 4 bracket minus, what is common here is just 4. So we have 4 bracket, let it p minus times minus will give us plus, 4 into 16 will give us 4. The bracket is equal to 0. So we now have our p is equal to minus 4, or we have our 9p minus 4 is equal to 0. So we have p equal to minus 4, or we have our p is equal to 4 all over 9. Okay, so we have our p1 and our here we did a substitution here. Look at what we say. We say let x to the power of 2 plus 4x be equal to p. So we have to look for the actual value of our x. Here we take our case 1. So we're going to say here, recall, let's say our recall first. So we'll say that recall that our x to the power of 2 plus 4x is equals to p. So let's take our p1. So that will give us case 1. Our case 1 is going to give us our x to the power of 2 plus 4x now be equal to minus 4, because we have p1 to be minus 4. So move this to this side. It is going to give us x to the power of 2 plus our 4x plus 4 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, so we have to solve this quadratically. Okay. Can we apply the factorization method to this? Yes, we can. So this is going to give us our x to the power of 2 plus, yeah, we I think of two numbers that we will add together to give us plus 4, multiply together to give us plus 4. It's just 2 and 2. So we have this to be 2x plus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. So we can group this, group this, group this, group this. What is common here is just x. So we're gonna have here x bracket x plus 2 bracket plus, what is common here is just 2. So here we have here x plus 2 equals 0. So the terms inside the bracket and the one out are the same. Okay, equals to 0. So this now implies that our x plus 2 is equals to 0, and therefore we have x is equals to minus 2 twice. Okay, so we have this twice. Then let's look for our case 2. We have our case 2. Where's our case 2? We have our p2 to be 4 all over 9. So let's go ahead and solve for that. So again, we have our x to the power of 2 then plus 4x now be equal to our 4, yeah, 4 all over 9. So move this to the side, it will give us x to the power of 2 plus 4x equal to, sorry, minus rather, minus 4 all over 9 equal to 0. So we have to solve this quadratically. And how do we solve this quadratically? Yeah, we're going to use the formula method. So using the formula method, we're using formula method. The formula method. So we know that our x is equal to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So what is our a? Our a is the coefficient of our x squared, which is 1, and our b is the coefficient of f, which is 4, and our c is the constant term, which is minus 4 all over 9. Okay, so substituting this will now give us our x will now be equal to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 4 squared, then minus 4 again into 1 into 4 all over 9, minus all over 9. Everything all over 2 into 1. Nothing of everything we're going to have minus 4 plus minus square root. This will give us 16 minus, minus times minus will give us plus. We have plus here. So 4 times 4 will give us 16 all over 9. All over 2. Yeah. Okay, so we can do a simple arithmetic here. This is going to give us here minus 4 plus minus square root. We look for the common LCM is 9 here. So we use this all over divisible 1. So 1 divided by 9 will give us what? 9. So we use the 9 to times 16. This will give us 144, right? So have here 1, 4, 4 plus 9 divided by 9 will give us 1. 1 times 16 will give us 16. Again, everything all over 2. So this will now be equal to minus 4 plus minus the square root. If we add this to this will give us, okay, 6 plus 4 will give us 0 carry. Then 1 plus 4 will give us 5 plus the 1 you carry will give us 6. We have here 6, and here we have 1. We have 1 all over 9. Let's extend this down. This is all over 2. Now, here 160 is not a perfect square, but we can rewrite this to bring out the perfect square from here. So this is going to give us here, we have minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 times 10. This is all over 9. Okay, in everything here all over 2. So this will give us minus 4 plus minus. This is a perfect square. This is a perfect square. So the square root of 16 will give us 4 all over. The square root of 9 will give us 3. So into the square root of 10 and all over 2. From here, we can factor out 2 from here. So this is going to give us our 2, bracket minus 2 into this will give us 2, plus minus 2 into this will give us 2 all over 3, then into the square root of 10, bracket everything all over 2. So this 2 goes with this 2. So we're now left with our minus 2 plus minus 2 all over 3 to the square root of 10. Yeah. Okay, so this is the value of our x2. So we have our x2. And here we have x3 also. So in all, what are the values to our x that will satisfy the original equation, which is this very guy here. It's easy. So let's bring out all of them. So can I say, therefore, our x1 is equal to minus 2. Okay, so our x2 will now be equal to, we can rewrite this as our 2 all over 3 to the square root of 10 and minus 2. Okay, then our x3 will now be equal to, I write this as minus bracket 2, then plus our 2 all over 3 or to the square root of 10 close bracket. So these are the values of x that will satisfy our original equation, which is this. Okay, so if you've learned something from this video tutorial, do not hesitate to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any comment with regards to the approach, the procedure we applied in solving this challenge here, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Again, this is Math Prowess. All of us here love you so much. Thanks for stopping by and watching in the end. Bye.